want to be when I grow up? I want that person who is brave and saving lives. When I grow up, I want to be a firefighter. What are the problems? How I solve it? Ask a true firefighter. Hello po, Kuya Joel. What problem did you face on your job po?
The problem that I face in our job is the safety. It is because it is very risk when it comes to responding to a fire. A lot of smoke, a lot of flame inside the building or the residential. It can be dangerous or it can lose to your life if you're not properly wear your PPE or your personal equipment. That's why your attire now is very important to us when responding to fire.
Do you solve it po?
So I solve it when it comes of a lot of trainings before we respond to a fire, and be sure that our fire truck also in good condition.
Thank you po, Kuya Joel.